Hello friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I will install my straight wig. So it's a straight wig and it is 14 inches in length. It comes pre-plucked and this is how the inside looks. I got this hair from Hair by Lovelies. She has an Instagram page and I'll leave a link to her Instagram page in the description box below. So this is how the hair looks straight out of the pack, and yeah, I'm going to be showing you the steps I'm going to follow to install this straight wig. So I'm going to flip the wig over. And because I want it to look as natural as possible, this is the pattern, this is the line. So I'm going to put my foundation. I'm going to use a little brush to put my foundation along that line. I'll just check the other side to make sure, yeah, that I'm getting the line as much as possible. Yeah. Yeah, this is to make the hair look as natural as possible because this is the same foundation that I use. Okay. So I have put on my wig cap ready, and so the next thing I'm going to do now is to put the wig on, and I will adjust it in a way that the wig will extend just a little bit beyond the wig cap. And so next thing is I'm going to be trimming along the front line. In order for me to be able to do that, I will have to tie my hair back so that I can trim properly. So after trimming off the front bit, so the next thing I'm going to do is to moisturize my hair with my moisturizer, because I want to lay the hair as flat as possible. So I'm going to use moisturizer to moisturize my hair. Next I'm going to use the Got to Be Ultra Glued Invisible Styling Gel. I'm going to put some in my palm and I'll rub it generously around the wig. The next thing I'm going to do is to use my electric comb to brush out the wig as much as possible. This will also help to make it lay flat. So I'm going to do the same on this side. So I have now tied the wig back and I've separated some out in the front for trimming. After trimming properly, I'm going to be using foam mousse to style the front.